Transform raw cocoa beans into premium cocoa powder effortlessly with Longering's intelligent processing solutions. Our end-to-end production line handles every critical stage, from automated cleaning and precision roasting to advanced grinding and sterilization. Start with our intelligent sorting system that removes impurities with accuracy, followed by low-temperature roasting technology that preserves natural flavonoids and aroma compounds. The patented winnowing unit then separates nibs from husks with unmatched efficiency, while our micron-level grinding system achieves your desired fineness from 20 to 200 mesh. The process continues with hydraulic pressing for customizable fat content. Our fully enclosed packaging system ensures contamination-free powder in bags, cans, or bulk formats, achieving outputs from 500 kilograms to 5,000 kilograms per hour. Customized configurations for cocoa requirements. Backed by CE and HACCP certifications, we deliver turnkey solutions including installation, worker training, and lifetime technical support. Request your free process flowchart and ROI analysis at longering.com, where cocoa innovation meets industrial excellence. Start optimizing your cocoa production today.